Okay, guys. Uh, so I'm going to film a couple of these cleaning and sorting videos. They're going to be their own separate, like, little vlog thing. But if you're like me, your creative space at some point gets to be so uh, disorganized, chaotic, jumbled, or you're just like on a different path at the moment, and so you need to like churn everything, all your belongings and supplies, and like do a reset. So today I'm going to reset the drawing area. I was just in there recently for a family friend. She needed some art therapy supplies. Of course, I have an overabundance of supplies, so I gifted her some things, which I had to go through this desk for, which just emphasized to me that I need to do a reset. So we're going to do that. I have some things that are over there I'm not using. I have some things that aren't over there I want to use that should be over there. So we're going to just clean it all off and do a reset. So let's get started. Okay, I didn't get rid of a lot, but I do have a few things in the get rid of pile. I had some rags that don't need to be in the drawer down there because we have a rag bin. I now have a drawer of travel art supplies, which is perfect because when I'm gonna go somewhere, whether it's a day trip or longer, I can open that drawer, grab one of the kits, make sure it's got the right stuff in it, and go. And the desk is cleared off because it was very chaotic and messy. And there were things on the desk that have been there since I got the desk that I never used, never cracked open, not once. So they can go, I don't want to get rid of them, but they can go in a drawer. So anyway, and also that little table over there is cleaned off so I can actually use it. I mean, you know, novel idea. So anyway, sometimes it doesn't take much, sometimes it takes a lot, but if your space is getting just insane like mine does sometimes, take a break, empty it off, rethink it, and wherever your creativity is gathering at the moment, whether it's sewing now instead of drawing, or it's knitting instead of embroidery, whatever it is, reset the space to suit your creativity and what's going to inspire you. There's nothing wrong with that. If I can do it, you can do it. Next video, we'll be working on the closets because they're, yeah. Anyway, I'm hot now. I'm going to take a break. I hope it gave you some ideas of what you can do. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I know it was a short video and the filming wasn't like the best, but this is just a vintage secretary desk that I use for drawing in watercolor. I love it a lot. It has become my favorite place to do that sort of art. And yeah, one of the things I did do is move my colored markers into here because the grandson likes to come in here and play with them, and now he knows how to take the caps off. And they're not child friendly. I don't mind if he comes in here with supervision, but yeah, we need to be careful of things. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. Questions, comments, or concerns down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.